The guys in the shop have done it again. I got my man Lane's 1,000 gallon offset on our trailer package, ready to rock and roll. Folks, let's check it out. Like I mentioned, it is on our tandem axle trailer package. Guys, we design, fabricate, and finish all of our trailers in-house. Do a really good job on them. Extremely stout trailer. Got a double frame rail all the way back. Sandblasted, high gloss direct to metal paint, all LED lighting, and we designed the trailers around your setup. So we sat down with Lane, figured out what all he wanted on his trailer, went from there, and this is what we come up with. In the front here, we've got a storage cabinet with a sliding stainless top. So that slides out, prep off of it, serve off of it, got your storage underneath. Fold that back in, lock it up. Up next, we have got two folding stainless steel shelves here. They fold down, lock down in place out of the way. Open up the smoker here. So like I said, 1,000 gallon offset smoker, 4 top racks, full bottom racks. The bottom racks are removable. We've got a 1.5 inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. The stack does have our winch assist kit on it. So use a winch to raise and lower your stack, makes it easy. Stainless steel fender toppers. This is a big smoker right here, folks. Got the custom blue paint. We coppered all the bands, hinges, and handles. Got the copper accents here as well. Something little, put that little custom touch on it. On the firebox, we've got his stainless steel logo there. Guys, all of our tank smokers get fully insulated fireboxes, hold heat great, make this thing run like a dream. Shut that back down, come around to the driver's side. You notice that was a passenger side smoker mount. We can mount them on either side. On the driver's side here, we got 2 of our stainless prep tops, storage underneath. 8.5 gallon triple basket fryer here. Next to that, we've got our griddle and double burner setup. So you got a 1/4 inch plate steel griddle, 2 10-inch burners, all regulated independently. We've got a folding table holder back here. Slide your table down in it, strap it up, you're ready to go. Up next, we've got our roll-off XL. This is 60 by 30. Got the full top grate. Then inside, you get 2 sliding grates here. Guys, these are extremely easy to cook on. Ribs, chicken, you just can't beat it. To finish her off on the driver's side, we got another enclosed storage box. Of course, we got the stainless steel lid on it as well. One more Oaken BBQ logo there. In the front, we got your propane tanks, battery for your electric jack, and for that winch assisted stack. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.